Okay, we're ready to go. And first thing I'm going to do is add some runs. And I think I need 4, right? 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. You can put them wherever you want. I'm putting mine after the timers. Good choice. Alright, so I need 2 timers. 1, 2. And the next timer is T4:4. And that's going to be a 10-second timer. T4:4. And we want this to be a 10-second walking timer. Oh, way to go. How did that happen? Yeah, so that looks better. 10-second walking timer. Okay. And then the next timer will be T4:5 because that's our next timer. And he's going to be a 5-second don't walk flashing timer. Okay, now we're going to have some condition that turns on these timers. And we don't know what those conditions are because we haven't set those bits yet, so we'll just leave it like that for a little while. And then alright. So we'll make our next guy 1, 2, 3. An unlatch, jumper, and another unlatch. So what are we unlatching? Now, if I go to my cross-reference file and I look at my binary bits, I notice that I'm not using any. Okay, so start using it. Request. B3:0/0. North, south, walk, request. And then this guy is going to be B3:0/2. East, west, walk, request. east-west. That's here. Want him to be a 1. East, west, walk, request. And we want this guy to be north-south walking. North-south walking. And this guy's B3, colon. No, they're all different binaries. They're the binaries I'm assigning them. They are. East, west, walking. It doesn't matter what binary bit you assign them as long as you don't assign anything more than 1. So I'm going 0, 2, 1, 3. Why am I going 0, 2, 1, 3? Because I'm trying to use 0, 1, 2, 3 there. So that's why I'm going 0, 2, 1, 3. Because I did this. And then I did that. There. Yes. But now I'm writing it. This guy first, but I don't have to do that first. So that's what I'm thinking. Alright, now I'm down to another run. And that's my reset. T4:5 done. And then we're going to reset. T4:4. Now I'm looking at 1, 2, 3, 4 runs of binaries. So I'll put in 4 blank guys. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then, if I come over to the compare guy, I have a limit, I've got a mass, compare, equal, I got an equal, I got a not equal, I got a less than. So I'm going to want the less than guy in 2 places. And then we're going to things. So I'll take my latch bit, put it there, there. Okay. I'll come up on my binary bits, and this is a north-south walk request. I'm going to put in there. This is a east-west walk request. Put in there. It's a north-south walking. And east-west walking. Okay. These are going to be inputs. I1:0/0. And this is going to be a north-south walk request. Oh, wrong guy. Input 1:0/0. north, south, walk, request. It'll be input 1:0/1. East, west, walk, request. Okay, if I have the north-south walking, if I have a north-south walk request that's latched, or if I have an east-west walk request that's latched, and I'm less than 5, and I'm less than 3, T4:0.acc, and then this guy is T4:2.acc. Alright, so we have that logic in. Now we're gonna come back up and fill in the blanks up above here where I left these guys empty. Up my binary bits again. So the 10-second on east-west walking. Okay, so there's north-south walking, east-west walking, and this guy is just the one bit on the 10-second timer. So why do I have two people there? I'm rid of one. So T4:4/done. So 10-second timer's done. I start the don't walk on. What are these bits? 10-second timer done bits. Those are 5-second timer done bits. T4:5 done. T4:5 done. T4:5 done. North, south, walk request, east, west, walk request. And I want this guy to be O0:0/3, east, west, red. And I want this guy to be the north, south, red. O0:0/0, I think is the north-south. So, put the next 4 on. I did the next 4, right? Yeah, I did the next 4. So I only have 4 more. I guess I'll put them after my lights. First of all, I'm going to hit my green light, and I see I have problems in run 12. Second, operand cannot be a constant. Alright, so I can't have a constant in source A. Alright, so I'm going to come back to compare, and I'm going to grab the greater than guy. greater than, and I'm going to say that the accumulator is greater than 5. No, that's not what I want. Oh, yeah, alright, so get rid of this guy, cut. I want the accumulator to be less than 5. I want the accumulator to be less than 3. Check it again. Okay, all my errors are gone. Okay. So I want the accumulator to be less than 5. I want the accumulator to be less than 3, not the other way around. Alright, so that makes sense. So now I'm going to come down to where my lights are. So here my lights are, and I'm going to add 4 sets of runs for my lights. 1, 2, 3, 4, and I want 4 outputs. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to bring open my outputs, and we've already gone to 5. And so output 6, and I'm going to describe it as north-south walk. North, south, and I'm going to describe 7 as north-south don't walk. North, south. Try to find the S key, don't walk. And then I'm going to describe 8 as east-west walk. Now, you could have waited and done this later. I sort of like doing it ahead of time. East. And then I'd bring in 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So now we have the logic. Got to worry about this. This is the part that only works after you test it. So, this is the flashing bit that's going to come from the status register. So we have to go to the status register, and I see a free running clock at S2:4. And so the least significant bit flashes every single cycle. So I'll probably want 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to pick the fifth one. S2:4/5. And so that's the free running clock. And that's going to, if that flashes and I don't walk too fast, then I'll change it so it slows down. I'll check my work. All right. Now there's no guarantee that this will run, but I have checked my work. All right, so what's your pleasure? Make it a little bigger. And where do you need me to put it? No. Oh, what are you talking about? I'm recording it right now. That recording will be on the website probably on Friday or Saturday. Well, it won't be there until after spring break, probably. So, no, definitely not. No. No. Okay, so where do you want me to put it? That's the point. Where are you?